Hi and welcome. Great to see you here. Nice to see that you're watching my videos. I appreciate that. If you didn't subscribe yet, just press the big red subscribe button and of course press the notification button not to pass all my new videos out. So I want to show you how I'm making my trading decisions on binary option platforms. My favorite binary option platform is IQ Option. All the useful links you can find in the description below this video, of course. So be my guest and try it yourself. Just pass the registration and try to trade first on practice account, and after when you feel confident, you can try to trade on real money, make your first deposit. But first of all, of course, you need to watch my videos to understand how the situation is going on. So as you can see, I've just made $95 because profit right now is 95 bucks. And let's see what's gonna happen right now, because I've pressed call button and there's a pretty risky situation. As you can see, the price is pretty much on the level of my prediction, and just a seconds decides. Okay, plus 95 bucks. Let's roll. Let's roll. The graph is jumping up and down, and this is actually great. Here in the left corner you can choose it's 95%. This is great asset. And there's on this platform I'm using IQ Option platform because there's a opportunity to use 100% assets. 100%. I don't know another platform that allows you to make 100% profit just in couple clicks. This is actually pretty great. So just think about it a little bit. What the investment tool gives you the opportunity to make 100%. I'm not saying about like weekly or in the year you can make 100%. The 100 or 95% you can make just in couple minutes, just in couple clicks, and all you need to have it's internet and just basic knowledges about binary option platforms and about the trading. Okay, that's why I want to show you how I am acting on the binary option platforms. All right, great. There's a couple things I want to show you. MACD and stock indicators, you can find them right here. Of course, you can change the chart type, view, line or candles or bars or Heikin Ashi. I like actually the lines. This is actually the question about your favorite tool, not about something else. Okay, as you can see, I'm just making my decisions and making money. Just in over the last minutes, I've made like about $300. Where you can get $300? Think about it in 3 minutes. All right, that's why this tool, this great opportunity to earn money in internet, just I'm saying about that this is actually great, and I believe that this is the best opportunity to try, at least to try. The price is going up and down all the time. There's a tool that shows how all the traders made their decisions, but I'm making my own according to my experience and according to my knowledges about a little bit technical analysis. I wanted to share with you because this is actually nothing quite difficult. Okay, there's a lot of information about the technical analysis, and there's a lot of things you should know: the resistance levels, the support levels, all those turn points, etc., etc. But you can try it, and like all you need is just pass the link under this video in the description panel, pass the registration, get your own account, and first of all I suggest you to try to trade on the practice account, because this platform allows you to practice, to get your own experience before you will try to invest real money and before you will get the risk. So these two indicators shows which way the price will go. It's actually very helpful, but there are situations like right now, like here, that I've made the call option. I put the call button, the green one, and that means that the price should be higher than the line of my prediction. It's not, and I want to show you what strategy I'm using. To use this strategy, you need to have some amount of money on your account, in your pocket, to be able to make your amount 2.5 times bigger. 2.5 times bigger, and that's why in that case, if you're gonna win next bet, if I'm gonna win next bet, as you can see, $237, this is estimated profit that I'm gonna get if I'm win this bet, and this profit will cover up, as you can see, is just covered up my previous loss with $100. Okay, that means I've made a mistake. I got the wrong prediction. I got lost for $100, but with the next bet I've made a profit. So this is pretty simple. You have just two buttons. You need to predict which way the price will go, and those indicators shows the way of movement of the price. When those two lines are under those, it's need to move in this way, like that. But as you can see, $100, and there's pretty interesting situation. Okay, lost $100. You know what to do. You just know what to do. We have this purchase timeline. I love to make my predictions right in front of it, because in that case you can be more specific and you can be more accurate with your predictions. All right, let's press the put button in that case, and even if I'm gonna lose this bet, I know what to do, and I'll show you how to act. All you need to do is just make your bet 2.5 times bigger, and the estimated profit will cover up all your losses that you've made previously. This is pretty simple, and as you can see, I just covered up my losses with $237, and I've spent $100 before. That's it. That's pretty simple and easy, and if you want, you need to get back to your previous amount, to your usual amount, just to stay longer on the platform. So guys, I'm very grateful that you're watching my videos. This is very nice, and I wish you to get more information. I wish you to get more experience. And after you will try to trade on practice account, you can invest real money. Start from small amounts. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is my advice, and I wish you great profits. I wish you a great day. Press the notification button. All the useful links you can find in the description of this video, and I'm gonna continue trading. See you next time. Wish you a great day. Bye.